What's up, everybody? Good morning. Wanted to wait to go live a little closer to the non-farm payrolls this morning. All right, let's see. All right. Got 5 minutes until non-farm payrolls. Let's get it. All right, very quickly, let's run through ES and NQ. See what we can find, and then, yeah, we'll see what happens with non-farm payrolls. So here's our high all the way up here. We have our fib from here to here. Can't tell if that broke above it or not. Which one? Okay, it's that high. Okay. So we got it from here to here. Still technically holding that demand, so we'll see what happens. We rejected that 4-hour 21 EMA yesterday. Nothing else on the 4-hour. Nothing on the 2-hour. Nothing on the 1-hour. Nothing on... Actually, we do have a 30-minute zone right here. We'll see what happens. Again, non-farm payrolls could push us straight through it, so we'll just mark the beginning of the zone for the time being. Nothing up there. Let's try at 45. Good morning, everybody. Don't want to use that one because that's too close to demand. And actually, I like this 45-minute zone more. I'll leave it like that for the time being. But yeah, literally, we filled all the orders in the demand in the overnight session, so I'm not going to use it for a bounce. If we lose that low, then we can look for shorts. I don't have anything until almost 5,400. So what is that, like 66 points to the downside. Cool. That's everything on ES. Head on over to NQ. I swear I don't live in the ghetto. I know you guys can like hear the sirens all the time. I do not live in the ghetto. Pivot low, pivot high, very close to that 50% retracement in the overnight session. So still going to watch that, and then the 618 all the way down there. Do have a daily supply zone right here that I would be interested in. Boom. Boom. All right. Got that. Cool. So reject up there, bounce at the 50, bounce 61.8. Good morning. Yeah. Cool. It's everything on ES and NQ. I don't think we really had any other levels. Nothing on the 4. Nothing on the 2. Nothing on the 1. We do have a small 30-minute zone there. Let's see the 45. Yeah, I actually live in Aura, or whatever it's called. Aurora. There we go. Psych. We have our 45-minute zone right here. I don't use 6-hour. I mean, there could be a demand there. I just don't use it. All right, so supply here, depending on how large the reaction is, and then supply up here, bounce here, bounce all the way down here. So we got our non-farm payrolls here in 1 minute. Let's see how the market reacts. I expect a larger move than what we had yesterday. Good morning. Good morning. Oh yeah, we're still in that SPY gap, aren't we? Yeah, we are. Where's the gap fill? Yeah, we're below it. Oh, we filled it. Damn. They did everybody dirty and filled it in the pre-market. Dirty, dirty, dirty. All right, let's see what happens. I feel like this supply is going to be our best bet. Perfect. All right, so 551. Let's see what the numbers were. $142,000 versus 114,000. Unemployment rate 4.2% versus 4.3. So let's give this a couple minutes to digest the news and see what the market was to offer. I need to wake up. Also, football started yesterday. Let's see see how my fantasy's doing. Oh my god. The dog has found her chicken. No chicken. Whoops. All right. Give this 1 more minute. Now she's pissed. She's pissed I took the chicken. Looks like they're selling off a majority of that news. That candle's about to go red. All right. Let's go find our other levels. So let's see, pivot low. Pivot high, bounce way down there. Technically, SPY is still holding the demand. So let's see, here is gap fill. So we filled that in the overnight session. Here's the beginning of the demand. Yeah, I mean, the SPY demand does go all the way down to 543.5. So as long as we're in this area, I personally still like longs until we break the demand. There we go. So maybe like a retest of this level, I'd be interested in going long. But yeah, so 4-hour demand, if we lose that, we don't have anything after that. Till like way down here as far as demand. And then we have our fibs. So break below 543.5, I'm going to look for shorts. anywhere in the zone, I'm looking for longs. If we somehow push up into 552, I'm looking for shorts. That's the plan with SPY. And then QQQ. Also filled the tiny gap that we had in the overnight session. We're bouncing. Short to disaster. $452.77, 445 are my bounces. Just go to the 4 hour. No demand, no supply. Whoa. Let's see, 2 hour. Got a little bit of demand right here, but not my favorite. Nothing else on the 2 hour. On the 1 hour. Nothing. 30-minute, we have that zone. And then we also had that 45, I believe. Yes. Cool. So reject 463 all the way up to 465.40. We can also mark the beginning of that 30, which is actually the very beginning of that 45. Perfect. Cool. Reject here. Bounce down here. That's it on QQQ. Let's run through the individuals very quickly. See what we like, what we don't like, and then we'll go from there. Apple, don't care about unless we get down there. AMD's still holding that 618. Amazon got that breakout yesterday in continuation. Honestly, doesn't look bad for strength, so maybe keep that on the side. There's a very tiny gap on IWM. I'd say maybe if the market got weak, IWM could be something we could watch. Just because it has that gap fill. So potentially IWM. But we'll get to Tesla, don't you worry. We go over Tesla every day. I know. We'll get to it. Meta don't care about Microsoft. Don't care about Nvidia. Still holding that 104. That's a very strong support area. I mean, if we broke below 104, I'd be interested in shorts, but until then, nothing. Qualcomm. Don't care about Starbucks. Probably going to take that off the list soon, and then Tesla. Okay. So, obviously, Tesla has a lot of strength. We hit that 1 hour 21 EMA. So, if we can get an uptrend entry, that's potentially something I would watch. So, pullbacks for longs, break above 235 and get an uptrend entry. That's what I like on Tesla today. 100% on the list. 100%. So, as far as the individuals that I like, Tesla, IWM, and what was the other one? Potentially Apple, I think. It was not Apple. Once I go through the whole list, I'll look at your 6 hour. Once I finalize everything. So, let's actually use SPY levels today because we're still in that demand. And we filled the gap. All right, let's see. SPY. Bounce demand. 545.46 to 543.5. Break below for puts. Reject. 552 to 553.8. Break above for calls. And that's about it. QQQ. Bounce for 52.77. Reject for 63. 4 to 465.36. Not even typing. What is going on? 52.77. Reject for 63.04. To 465.36. Break above for calls. Perfect. All right, there's QQQ. Tesla uptrend entries. And then I believe IWM. Oh, I literally typed QQQ into this, the whole game plan into this up here. That's funny. IWM. All right. If the market got weak, I will watch this for the daily gap fill to the downside into 208.75. Perfect. Now, screenshots, and then I'll check that 6-hour demand. What's up, Don? Spy. QQQ. Would have really liked the bounce at that 1 hour 21, but we already hit it. Cool. Alrighty. Let's check the 6-hour. Right there. Yeah, you have 6-hour demand right there, 6-hour demand right there, 6-hour demand right here. So if you marked any of those, then yes. This open to this wick, this open to this wick, this open to this wick would be your zones. Cool. Let's give you guys this watch list. So, as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you're not careful. So, as always, do your own due diligence, use your proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. I guess we'll do some live day trading today. in about, what, 30, 40 minutes. So I'm going to give you guys this watch list. Go take my dog out, make some food, and then be back for some live day trading. I feel like today's going to be a very fun day to trade. So give everybody a couple minutes to write that down. Like that. I ain't going skiing. I'll support you. I'll tell you have fun, but I ain't skiing. I went backwards when I went. Never again. Of course, I got y'all. So yeah, like I said, live trading today in about 40 minutes. Other than that, if you guys don't join the live trading, I don't know what to tell you. So I'll talk to everybody then, and peace out.